Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming in-person Ultimate Healing Point Holding course. Part 1 you do online, and that prepares you to do Part 2, which you can do online, but also there's the in-person one we're doing now. The benefit of this is that you get to work with other people. I'll be there working with you personally to check your iris. I'll be diagnosing carefully and also helping you find all the points to make sure you're done very thoroughly, accurately, and nothing is missed. But also the energy is increased. It'll get hotter, kundalini will rise, you work through those blockages much faster. One of the biggest benefits, though, is that you are encouraged to work through layers you never got around to doing. It's very good to work on your own, but quite often you don't take the time to make the big breakthroughs or do all the things you wanted to do. But in this course, when you're working together with people every day, this is what you're here for. You work through layer after layer, going right through everything you need to face, getting all the areas you never got around to on your own. There are 3 weeks. You can do just Part 1 if you want, or you can go on to 2 and 3. In the first week, we cover the whole endocrine system. In Part 2, we work on the spine. In Part 3, we work on the cranial. Now, this is very important to in person because we're not being able to do the spine and cranial on the online version. This is where it gets more intense, when people can work on your spine and clear the kundalini channel so it can rise into the head. We can again get a full rise in the kundalini to the head where you get the full rearrangement to amplify your power, and that's a state of enlightenment. So if you wish to really work with this technique to its full, come to an in-person training where you can have those points held, work with others, and really make those breakthroughs.